decided to conduct a review for today para mapuplanuhan na natin ang bagong product natin nilalabas sa market, which is the Mazo Skincare.
Since bago natin product, ilang products ang mapupulis natin?
Base ito kung konti lang muna ang mapupulis natin, gaano natin taginan kapag may ano natin mabenta ang product.
I agree with that, para hindi malubo yung mga pinagdiligas natin. Ay, hindi magkakaroon tayo ng high demand product na ito since maraming gumagamit ng skincare, especially skins.
Yes, and makita agad natin if gaano kabenta yung products natin once na mailabas natin ito sa market kung mag-aas pa sila ng supply from us.
Yes, I decided na mag-bring down muna tayo or mag-produce muna tayo ng konti for now. So I hope nagawin niyo ang works niyo properly. And I will bring down a memo once nagkaroon na tayo ng product sa market. And another meeting pag makabenta na tayo. And that's all.
Thank you.
See you next meeting.
Introducing Mazo Skincare, a revolution in beauty and self-care. At Mazo, we believe that your skin deserves the very best. Our products are meticulously crafted with natural ingredients and scientifically formulated to nourish and rejuvenate. Imagine a skincare routine that enhances your natural beauty while nurturing your skin from within. Our hydrating serums, soothing cleansers, and restorative creams cater to every skin type, ensuring everyone can find their perfect match. But there's more. For a limited time, enjoy exclusive discounts and vouchers when you shop with us. Use code GLOW20 for 20% off your first purchase and experience the Mazo difference at an incredible value. Feel the gentle touch of our products as they cleanse, nourish, and revitalize. Our signature formulas help reduce fine lines, boost hydration, and create that radiant glow you've been dreaming of. Mazo is more than skincare, it's a commitment to self-love and empowerment. Each product is designed to enhance your unique beauty and inspire confidence. Join our vibrant community of skincare enthusiasts. When you choose Mazo, you're not just purchasing a product, you're investing in a transformative experience. Transform your skin. Elevate your routine. Mazo Skincare, where every application is a step towards radiant skin. Your journey begins here. Don't forget to use code GLOW20 for 20% off your first order.
Okay, good morning. Today I expected that you have your reports regarding to our new product. I would like to know if there's any problem or how is it going for the product. Starting with our manufacturing team, Neil and Ken.
As for our menu, our team is produced just only 20,000 of our product. This is distributed to local markets, especially sa malalaking malls like SM North, Mall of Asia, and Robinson.
And Neil? We're still in process. We should also distribute local farmers who like Watson, and we plan to ilalabas din natin sa online shop like Shopee and Lazada and other platforms, online our claims. And any reports about investment of income?
We invested almost 10 million for this product, and our finance and business team decided na ang gawin natin suggested return price ay 650%. So if we're going to look at it, if we have 20,000 products and mauubos natin 20,000 products na yun, our income will be 30 million. If masold out lahat ng 20,000 na products natin, we'll have a 3 million profit from the 30 million na masisell dito.
And the visualization of our monthly sales.
So this graph shows the measures of our sales monthly. So at the first month, our product sales increased after nito mailabas sa market. And but suddenly, in our second month, our sales dropped from 75 to 60%. So 15% yung ibinaba ng sales natin. But luckily, in our third month, our sales increasing. Kaya nag-result yun ng high demand ng ating product.
Congratulations to us for having a business product that is successful. All of your efforts and your hard work has paid off. I am hoping for more successful projects with you and our company. And this meeting I'm now ending, and congratulations again. You can now go.